In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest for free in Bangla 2025. This is a great tool to enhance your keyword research and boost your online presence, all without breaking the bank. To start, you'll need to visit Ubersuggest's website by heading over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're there, click on the sign up or log in button. Creating an account is straightforward and free. Just use your Google credentials or an email address. Remember, while the free version does have a few limitations on the number of keyword searches you can perform daily, it's a fantastic starting point. Once your account is ready, it's time to dive into your keyword research. In the search bar, enter the main keyword or topic that you'd like to explore. It's important to note that Ubersuggest supports Bangla Unicode text, allowing you to type your keywords in Bangla if that's what suits your audience and content needs. Next, you'll want to adjust the country setting to ensure your search results are tailored for a local audience. To do this, click on the globe or flag icon located next to the search bar. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of countries. Simply scroll through or type Bangladesh in the search field and select it. This ensures that all keyword data such as search volume, cost per click, and SEO difficulty is specific to the Bangladeshi market. Now you're ready to conduct your search using either Bangla or English keywords. This flexibility allows you to cater to different segments of your audience effectively. After entering your keyword, hit the search button. Ubersuggest will automatically detect the language of your query and provide you with data relevant to Bangladesh. With your search results in hand, it's time to explore additional keyword ideas. To do this, click on Keyword Ideas from the left sidebar of Ubersuggest. This section will show you related keywords, questions people are asking, prepositions, and comparisons. This feature is particularly useful as it helps you discover specific topics that your Bangladeshi audience is looking for. If you want to refine your search further, consider using the available filters. You can adjust the maximum SEO difficulty to a level you're comfortable with, say a difficulty of 40, and set a minimum search volume like 100 to ensure significant interest. Additionally, you can specify include or exclude words in Bangla or English, helping you pinpoint easy-to-rank keywords that are well suited for your content strategy. Finally, once you've pinpointed the keywords you're interested in, you can save them by clicking on the save icon next to each keyword. Alternatively, you have the option to copy them directly into Google Sheets or Excel for later analysis and strategy planning. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Ubersuggest for free in Bangla. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, this tool is invaluable for tailoring your content to meet the needs and interests of your Bangladeshi audience. Happy researching!